This is Charjan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will talk about E.V.S lesson plan file. I will show you all the topics and all the details. So by this video, you can get the idea that how to make a lesson plan file, especially of E.V.S. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will see the index. So domestic appliances, our helpers, birds, our clothes, means of transport, my school, types of family, good habits, stationary objects, family, importance of trees, water and land animals, body parts, healthy foods, land transport, importance of water, sense organs, season, festivals and flowers name. So this is all about the index and ये आपको यहाँ से काफ़ी ज़्यादा टॉपिक्स का अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आपको बहुत सारा आइडिया मिल गया है कि आप क्या क्या टॉपिक्स ले सकते हो स्पेशली इन EVS और अंडरस्टैंडिंग द वर्ल्ड. मेरे पास काफ़ी ज़्यादा मैसेजेस आए हुए हैं टॉपिक्स के लिए, कमेंट्स आए हुए हैं. सो बाय दिस वीडियो यू कैन गेट द आइडिया. तो चलिए फिर देखते हैं जनरल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या रहते हैं हमारे EVS के. सो स्टूडेंट्स विल बी एबल टू know the concepts and principles necessary to understand natural phenomena, develop inquiring minds and curiosity about the natural world, apply basic scientific principles, acquiring knowledge of scientific laws, develop a scientific attitude for informed decisions and results. So this is the lesson plan of domestic appliances. You can take the screenshot for format, or if you want to see the whole format you can watch my video as well. And this is the whole lesson plan, and then these are the miniatures of domestic appliances. See, आप small ही लगाते हो because they are miniatures. Then this is the lesson plan of our helpers. You can take help from this lesson plan if you are facing problems in making lesson plan. Now these are the miniatures of our helpers. Then this is the lesson plan of birds. Miniatures, our clothes, miniatures, means of transport, and means of transport, my school, miniature, types of family, miniatures, good habits, miniatures of good habits, stationary objects, miniatures, family, my family basically आप इसको थीम में ले सकते हो. Importance of trees, types of animals, miniatures, body parts, miniatures, and half lesson plan, healthy foods, miniatures, transport, types of transport, miniatures, sense organs, seasons, miniatures, festivals, miniatures, and lesson plan, flowers name, lesson plan, and the miniature. So that's all about this video. I hope इससे आपको आइडिया मिला होगा, आपको बेसिकली टॉपिक्स के आइडियाज मिल गए होंगे और आपको ये वीडियो ज़रा सी भी हेल्पफुल लगी हो, कुछ समझ आया हो, देन लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करके ज़रूर जाइएगा.